Now to a story out of Portland, where the state is promising to relocate residents who have been living under less than ideal circumstances in a very dangerous place right on the banks of the Buff Bay River. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details in this primetime news report.
It sounds like a paradox. 66 residents literally living on diamonds in Buff Bay, Portland, but in not more than shacks. For decades, it's been their reality, not just poor living, but a dangerous one. Over 34 years ago, the people decided to set up houses on structures which were built to control the Buff Bay River and prevent flooding in the town. Those structures are called diamonds.
There's no human being that's supposed to live in conditions like that. There's no waste facilities. There's no toilets. They say it is extremely poor waste management, mosquito breeding, and of course the risk to safety because of the closeness to the river.
Yeah,
and the river, when the river is in space.
Houses not just on the banks of the river, but 3 persons are also said to be living under this bridge, which is flooded whenever there's heavy rainfall and the river is in spate. Concerned for years about their safety, the state is finally stepping in to relocate the people to an area not too far away called Lennox.
Water, there's a natural spring, so even the cost of water to them should not be an issue, because if we design it and do it properly, and of course light. Light and the infrastructure in relation to the distance from the road to the property here is also close.
I live in a piece of house down there and it a break down for me and I can't fix it. So I'm glad to move off a year, but I don't want to go to Lennox where they want to carry us, because that is way from Buff Bay.
5 acres of virgin lands in Lennox owned by the state, which will also put in basic infrastructure and utilities, while charity organization Food for the Poor will construct the houses.
We already started a pilot project over in McCookspen, where we have 30-odd houses along with a community center that we also use for soup kitchen, skills training center, and agricultural components.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.